dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we?
It's 12:46, the 30th day of July. Today is my last day in this house and I didn't even know it. Barely 2 hours ago, someone has attempted to break into my house and I'm feeling so scared. This is the second time I'm having a case of a house invasion in this house, barely 7 months later. I requested the landlord to put a grill in that problematic area, the balcony towards the kitchen. And instead of just doing a full job, he just did a shitty job. He just put a one-liner. So I feel like the universe has been speaking. I've not been paying attention. I've had to call my HR and request for a day off tomorrow because I can't stay here anymore. I hope I can catch some sleep because God knows I'm tired. On Friday, I came into this house and found that there's a drainage that had blocked, I don't know, at the parking lot, and it somehow affected this house. So on Friday, I walked into a flood. I feel like I'm in an episode of Believe It or Not, Ripley's.
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time. I know I did you wrong, but I learned my lesson. Now what if we could move on? Remember the good days. I wish that we could go back. I know I'm not perfect. I know I did you wrong, but I learned my lesson. Now what if we could move on? Remember the good days. I wish that we could go back. I know I'm not perfect. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time. I was the girl all alone in the corner, drinking by yourself on a Saturday night. You were the guy with your friends at the door. not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost, but you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me.
This is 2 days later. I got a new place. Everything is just everywhere, but I'm mighty grateful for this new place. So allow me to end this vlog here, and I'll catch you up on the next one. Kindly consider to like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what else you'd like to see.
It's not easy, but I'm